Hello everybody, in this video we will look how to use React use state hook and learn it within seconds. So first of all we need to import use state from React, and then we will need to declare a variable, and let that will be a variable name. Then we will need to declare a variable like this. Here first one was the variable with the value itself, and second one is the function that has ability to change value of this variable, and whenever this function calls, React DOM will re-render that value again, that React DOM will re-render that particular part again. And then let's see how we can use this function. So first of all we need to use I am creating a button here to use React set variable name function. Then I had to declare this function. As you can see here variable name refers as we can getting the previous value which was stored in that variable. And here we got the increment function. Now let's declare the second function, that is decrement one. First of all let's create the another button, and here's the decrement function. As you can see, as I press increment, it will increase the variable value by 1, and decrement, and that decreases the value by 1. So that's it for this video. Thank you.